So let's say what I want to do is I want to add an image onto an email. So in that case, I can go around and click on new email, and over here what I can do is I can insert an image directly onto the body of the email. So to do that, you need to click on the insert tab right here, and over here you can see that pictures is an option. And if I were to go around onto pictures over here, then what happens is that it opens up my Explorer window. So now you can go around onto the folder with the images that you want to add, and then simply choose the image. So let me just go around and add this in and click on open, and here you can see the image right here. So you can simply go around over here and then resize out the image according to how you want, and you can even rotate it, as you can see, and place it where you want. So you can say hello right here, just like this, and then you can see that the image is within the body text of the email. So now you can go around and type in text, and you can see that the image actually behaves like a text right here, just like this. And you can rotate it right here, and everything, the text and everything else, gets readjusted. And you can add in more than one images as well. Let's say, for example, if I were to go to pictures right here, I can simply select another image right here, and this is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can add images in emails directly inside of Microsoft Outlook. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.